So I find it as art, drawing, music, social work is a very important thing, and I would want that all the parents should encourage their children that yes, arts is something where the people do not use their brain, they draw with their own heart. That's why art and heart are together.
Yeah, true.
If you word heart and
Yes.
art, so art, you cannot draw by thinking and calculating. No, నేను హరి గారితో మీరు మాట్లాడండి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. When he goes into the time of drawing anything, he wants his own piece. He can finish one art in one day, he can finish one art in 1 week to 1 month also. He requires his piece. So there is a supernatural connection which is important. Ippudu if you see any of this artwork, there is a lot of abstract thinking, and you cannot just see something and it comes. No, that is a slightly different. The people who are in the art, music, or singing or instruments and violin and guitar, they are supernatural people. They are the one who live their life completely.
సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆర్ట్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి
Yeah.
అనిత గారితో అసోసియేషన్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది? అసలు విఎస్ఎల్ విజువల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఆర్ట్ గ్యాలరీకి మీరు ఎప్పుడు వచ్చారు? ఎన్నిసార్లు విజిట్ చేశారు?
I think it's been more than 2 to 3 years.
Wow.
Yes. I thank Shravan Garu who connected me to Hari and Anita Garu, and I think ippudu more than couple of dozen the art exhibitions lo I have participated, and I have encouraged people to come, and I connect with the orphanages, chinna pillalu 5 years, 10 years, and poor obviously orphanage. From there, then I encourage my students, medical students.
Okay.
Plus I call the celebrities who join me, and lot of people from different fields, from sports, from educationists, Anjali Razdan Garu, and lot of other friends. Dr. Ashima is the head of emergency at NIMS. Lot of different people. It was very nice through this exhibition Dwara. I got connected to my old friend D.S. Chauhan Garu. He is an IPS officer. Brother Anil, he's a philanthropic as well as he's a spiritual leader. And we realize for any kind of a spirituality, art is very much important. And I really feel very blessed because Anita Garu Dwara and Hari Garu Dwara, I got connected to myself. Something which I will not get exposed in a medical world. Akkada is only fever, paracetamol. ISM, okay, oxygen check cheyali. So it's a very different world, but it's something which I feel very passionate about it. So anytime there is any exhibition, it's slightly tough. I try my best to always join. Koddiga easy undadu, but then I pray to God and I get an opportunity. I always come and I give a visit. And every visit lo, I find there are 2 or 3 new paintings which catch my attention.
ఓకే.
And I keep getting mesmerized the kind of ideas which Hari Garu comes up with. Not easy for an average human to come up with those ideas.
వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ పెయింటింగ్స్ యూ లైక్ ద మోస్ట్?
No, you're asking a very toughest question. Okay? And if you ask, in painting, you can't say there's what is good. Every painting is good. If you see one, if it is about spirituality, it talks something different from the different world, eternal world. Adi mamulga undadu. Then if you see about the nature, it's very, very different, serene. It gives you comfort. You just keep watching it. If you see this painting, okay, it looks like from distance it looks like ice cubes.
Yeah.
But daggare, when you actually focus, you realize actually it's water which is flowing. So imagination open avutundi, and imagination open avutundi, and your BP and sugar will become normal. So I keep telling everybody, art gallery lo, exhibition lo koddiga ellin tarvata, you should stay away from media and you should enjoy observing each and everything. And this painting, if you see, you can observe a girl who is working. You can see the focus is somewhere else. She's pouring water here, but she's looking somewhere else. That means she's into her different thought process. She's thinking something else and doing something else. So you can think about that girl, or you can think about the water, you can think about the surrounding. So each piece of art talks differently to different people at different time. So to tell నాకు నేచర్ బాగా నచ్చుతుంది is very very suddenly I have seen him making only and only flowers. He's taken a picture where there is a selfie pic, two people are taking a selfie, and that is come in very very nice way. And when there are a few paintings where there is an abstract, akada you cannot explain. One painting will be explained in a వేరే forms లో depends on what astrology you come from. If you are a Libran, then you will find a painting very romantic. Okay, if you are a Taurian, you will find a painting to be okay. You will find a mistake in a painting.
ఓకే
Okay, and so that's why if you are a perfectionist, okay, you find that this is not good, this should have been there, this should have been there. Okay, so every painting has got a different effect on every person.
ఓకే సో ఇప్పుడు మనం కోవిడ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ని జాగ్రత్తలు చెప్తున్నారు, యాజ్ యూ సెడ్ ఎస్ఎంఎస్, సోషల్ డిస్టెన్సింగ్, మాస్క్ అండ్ శానిటైజింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు సెప్టెంబర్ 1st నుంచి అది కూడా ఉండదు అని చెప్తున్నారు. దిస్ లాక్డౌన్ వుడ్ బి కంప్లీట్లీ రిమోట్.
Yes.
సో దాని తర్వాత ఇంకా అసలే భయపడుతూ ఉన్నారు జనాలు, ఇంకా భయపడతారు కదా, దానికి తీసుకోవాల్సిన ప్రికాషన్స్ ఏంటి?
Say, I would want to tell you, life lo oka word is chala important, which is you need to be responsible for yourself, for your family.
ఎస్.
Because of various reasons, the only governments knows it, they are opening up from 1st September. 55 years to equa age people ki I will not tell them to come out till December. Okay, because who is getting affected more in COVID? People who are older people,
And
diabetic
infants.
patients, kidney patients, fat people. Anybody who is a fat, overweight, they should not come out, they should be careful. So ఇప్పుడు just because it is opening everybody can be normal, no. My advice is once you are dead you require 6 feet ground kada. I tell everybody మీకు 6 గజాలు ల్యాండ్స్ వద్దు కదా, సో అందరితో 6 గజాలు డిస్టెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి ఫర్ 6 months. So 6 months maintain 6 feet distance to stay away from 6 feet of land. So you should not become normal, even if it is everything is opening up from 1st September. Wedding functions ke ellokodu. Anywhere where there are more people, you should stay away from that side.
Okay.
And you must continue SMS. Social distancing chala important, and you must maintain that at any cost. Till not only till the time vaccine has come, for till December, till the time herd immunity is come up, you should stay away from all these things.